Eh, don't hit. Don't hit. Do you have hiccups?
I got hiccups. That's so sad. Yeah, Emma's crying.
Why is Emma crying? Don't pick your nose. Say, what's your name? What's your name? Alright, don't pick your nose. Stop picking your nose. What's your name? Ew, don't! What's your name?
Eva.
And how old are you?
That's right.
Emma, you're funny. Ava, how old are you?
2 on.
When's your birthday? Are you okay, Emma? What happened? Ava, when's your birthday? Wait, when's your birthday?
I like 3. Almost 5.
That's right. And how old are you going to be?
2.
No, how old are you going to be on your birthday?
3. 2 our birthday.
What? How old are you going to be on your birthday?
When is the birthday?
Hold on. Come over here. I want to tell the camera, how old are you going to be for your birthday? 3.
3.
3.
Your birthday.
Yeah. And can you sing the happy birthday song?
Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Eva. Happy birthday to you. Where's